Some of these sewing machines will blow your mind with their prices and capabilities. Packed with cutting-edge technology, advanced sewing features, and unbeatable performance, here are the best sewing machines of 2025. Let's take a look at 5 great options that will totally impress you. Number 5. Janome HD3000, the heavy-duty sewing machine for durability and versatility. If you're looking for a sewing machine that combines exceptional durability, user-friendly operation, and the ability to handle heavy fabrics, the Janome HD3000 is an outstanding choice. Designed for both beginners and experienced sewers, this machine features a heavy-duty metal frame, ensuring maximum stability and longevity even under continuous use. With a sewing speed of 860 stitches per minute, the HD3000 delivers efficient and precise stitching, making it perfect for a wide range of sewing projects. Unlike standard sewing machines that may struggle with thick materials, this model excels with denim, leather, and heavy cotton, providing consistent and powerful performance. The automatic needle threader eliminates the hassle of manual threading, while the one-step buttonhole function ensures perfect buttonholes with ease. Equipped with 18 built-in stitch patterns, the Janome HD3000 offers versatility for various sewing needs, from simple straight stitches to decorative designs. The LED lighting system enhances visibility, allowing for better precision, even in dimly lit environments. Its heavy metal construction not only enhances durability, but also minimizes vibrations, ensuring a smooth and steady sewing experience. Unlike lightweight plastic models that may wear down over time, the Janome HD3000 is built to last, making it ideal for serious sewing enthusiasts and professionals who demand reliability. Its rugged build, intuitive features, and superior stitch quality make it a must-have for anyone looking for a sewing machine that can handle demanding tasks with ease. Number 4. Brother Innov's VQ2, the ultimate sewing machine for computerized precision and creativity. If you're searching for a sewing machine that combines advanced digital technology, high-speed performance, and unmatched versatility, the Brother Innov's VQ2 is a top-tier choice. Designed for professionals and sewing enthusiasts looking to integrate computerized precision into their craft, this machine features a touchscreen LCD display, allowing users to easily navigate settings and customize their projects. With an impressive 1,050 stitches per minute speed, it delivers fast and precise results, making it ideal for large, intricate designs and long sewing sessions. The 473rd built-in stitch patterns offer extensive creative possibilities, while the USB connectivity enables users to import and use their own custom embroidery designs, giving complete control over decorative stitching. The automatic needle threader and LED lighting system enhance convenience and visibility, ensuring a smooth workflow, even in low-light environments. Whether you're working on fashion pieces, home decor, or artistic textile projects, this sewing machine provides professional-grade precision, speed, and versatility to elevate your sewing experience. With its cutting-edge technology, high-performance features, and intuitive digital interface, the Brother Innov's VQ2 is an essential tool for those who want to take their creativity to the next level. Number 3. Janome Memorycraft 6700P, the ultimate sewing machine for speed and precision. If you're looking for a sewing machine that perfectly balances speed, durability, and professional-grade precision, the Janome Memorycraft 6700P is an outstanding choice. Designed for professional seamstresses and dedicated home sewists who demand industrial-quality performance, this machine boasts an impressive speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, allowing users to complete large projects efficiently without compromising accuracy. Its full metal internal structure ensures exceptional stability and longevity, making it a reliable workhorse for high-volume sewing. The spacious work area provides ample room for quilting, upholstery, and large fabric pieces, while the dual LED lighting system enhances visibility for intricate detailing. Equipped with 200 built-in stitch patterns, the 6700P offers unmatched versatility, catering to a wide range of sewing techniques from basic stitching to complex decorative designs. The intuitive LCD touchscreen allows for seamless navigation and customization, making adjustments quick and hassle-free. Whether you're creating couture garments, quilting, or tackling upholstery work, this machine is engineered to handle it all with efficiency, precision, and durability. With its high-speed operation, expansive workspace, and cutting-edge technology, the Janome Memorycraft 6700P is a must-have for those who want a professional-grade sewing experience at home. Number 2. Juki TL2000 Chi, the ultimate sewing machine for industrial power and durability. If you're searching for a heavy-duty sewing machine that offers industrial-level strength, precision, and reliability, the Juki TL2000 Chi is a top-tier choice. Designed for tailors working with thick fabrics, quilters, and those handling large-scale projects, this machine delivers an impressive speed of 1,500 stitches per minute, ensuring rapid and efficient sewing without sacrificing accuracy. Built with a full metal frame, it provides unmatched durability and stability, making it an ideal workhorse for professional and home users who need a machine that can handle demanding workloads. The extended work table offers ample space for quilting and large fabric projects, while the LED lighting system ensures optimal visibility for intricate stitching. Equipped with an automatic thread trimmer, this machine enhances workflow efficiency by eliminating the need for manual cutting, saving time and effort. Unlike standard sewing machines that struggle with thick materials, the Juki TL2000 Chi excels in effortlessly sewing through heavy fabrics, making it perfect for upholstery, leatherwork, and multi-layered projects. Whether you're crafting detailed quilts, sewing heavy fabrics, or handling industrial-level projects, this machine offers unparalleled power, precision, and durability. With its high-speed performance, robust construction, and advanced features, the Juki TL2000 Chi is an essential tool for anyone needing a professional-grade sewing experience at home or in a studio. Number 1. Bernina 770Q E-2025's winner and the ultimate sewing machine for precision and professionalism. As the top choice for 2025, the Bernina 770QE stands as a high-end sewing machine, delivering unmatched precision, versatility, and ease of use. This model combines cutting-edge technology with Swiss craftsmanship, making it the ultimate tool for professional tailors, quilters, and designers working on large-scale projects. Built for flawless stitching, the Bernina 770 QE features an advanced Bernina Stitch Regulator BSR, which automatically adjusts stitch length based on fabric movement, ensuring even and professional quality stitches every time. Its extra-wide 13-inch workspace provides ample room for handling large quilts and intricate garment designs with ease. The high-resolution LCD touchscreen offers intuitive navigation, making it easy to select from 992 built-in stitch patterns or customize settings for unique designs. With a stitching speed of up to 1,000 stitches per minute, this machine balances efficiency with accuracy, making it a powerful choice for experienced users. Equipped with automatic thread cutting and threading, it significantly reduces downtime and streamlines the workflow. The USB connectivity allows users to import custom stitch designs, expanding creative possibilities beyond the built-in selection. Whether you're creating intricate embroidery, working with thick layers, or designing couture garments, this machine ensures exceptional control, smooth operation, and professional-grade results. With its industry-leading precision, innovative technology, and superior build quality, the Bernina 770QE remains the ultimate sewing machine for those who demand nothing but the best. Here are the top 5 sewing machines. So, which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you in the next video.